Hello YouTube, Ed McLaughlin here. Today we're going to disassemble and reassemble a Mossberg 500. Start out unscrewing the barrel tube. Open the action just a little bit. Pull the barrel out. Take a punch, pin right behind the trigger guard. Trigger guard, gently pull up. You pull out the interrupter and the cartridge stop. You line up the slots where your bolt comes out. Then your bolt come on out there. Your elevator pulls out like a pair of tongs. You want to get the safety back. Need to do this, in my opinion, about every 1,000 rounds if you're shooting promo ammo. Take this thing apart and clean it. Clean it, lube it, whatever you need to do with it. Goes back together in reverse order. A little bit of finagling right here. Basically you're trying to get your puzzle pieces to fit all together. Your action bars, bolt carrier. These little prongs go facing inward on your stop and interrupter. And there's only one way they'll work. Kind of sit there and keep that steady. Your trigger group, if it goes in hard, you're not lined up right. It goes in that easy. If it goes in hard, you need to finagle around, try to get it to go in where it goes in easy. If not, what it'll do is it'll lock up. You finish screwing in your barrel right there. Come out here, get your release. Good for another 1,000 without clean. Thank you.